Hello guys and welcome back to another one of these Target Best of unboxing. This one's the best of makeup. So this one's valued at over 45 bucks. I paid 15. Not a bad deal. So let's open it up and take a look at what all you get in this one. Oh, this one comes in plastic and it's all laid out nice for you. So first thing that I see in here is by a brand called House of Lashes, and these are the Demure Light from their Light collection. They're reusable, lightweight, long-lasting, and dimensional false lashes. They look like Liza Minnelli lashes to me, and therefore I love them. Natural with a flared shape, our Demure Light lashes have a crisscross pattern to create a gentle look. I could see that. Then it has some instructions for how to apply them. Okay. So you get those. Those are almost just worth the price of admission right there, if you ask me. You get a beauty blender by Sam and Neek Real Techniques. Smooth, seamless finish. Miracle powder sponge. Not sure what... Oh, I guess for powder makeup. Got it. Got it. Revolutionary foam technology paired with a velvety material for evenly blended power. Dab, bounce, blend. Seamlessly apply setting, bronzer, highlight, and blush powders for a flawless finish. Rounded side for blending, flat edge for baking, pointed tip for coverage. Ah. Use damp or dry with powders. That's pretty cool. I don't think I have one with a flat edge like that yet, so now I do. That's pretty cool. I'm excited to play with that. If only I'd had this earlier when I was trying to put on the foundation. Oh my goodness. Okay, so next thing in here. Do I have this? I can't remember. I may have a sample of this, or I may have something in a really similar tube that's also by Pixie. But this is by Pixie Skin Treats, and this is their Peel and Polish Resurfacing Concentrate. So, I love this brand. This is one of my favorite brands, actually. I haven't yet tried this, even if I do have it. I haven't tried it yet. So, salon peel treatment made easy at home. Natural fruit enzymes exfoliate and polish to reveal a more smooth, radiant, and healthy complexion. Let's see here. Ingredients, are they listed? They are not. Okay. Anyway, we'll set that aside, but their products I know are not that cheap, so that's a goodie right there, even in a sample size. Oh, there's gummy stuff all over this one to help keep it in the thing, but let me roll it off of there first if I can. Don't know if I'll succeed, because it's pretty well glued on there. Frick. Oh, man. I hate it when they're like that sticky. Okay, I think I got it. Get off of there. But this is by the brand, or actually, no. This is by Soap and Glory, and it's from their line Sexy Mother Pucker, and it's their lip plumping gloss in what shade? In Plums Up. Look how cute it is. Oh my god. I think I have like one other of this one, if I'm not mistaken, but not in this color. So, yay for new stuff. Obviously this is sample size, not full size, but that's alright. We have a NYX Butter Gloss in... What color is this? Does it show? In Creme Brulee. So, I can't remember if this is full size or half size. I would have to see one again. I know I've had some by this line before. I've pretty well enjoyed them. So, I'm happy to have that. But I'm real excited for this one. Okay, let me get the gummy shit off the back, because it will take away from the packaging of this. But oh my goodness. You have no idea how excited I am for this next one and to show it to you guys. But this gummy shit has got to go. Like, I get why they used it, but a little bit less sticky would have gone a long way here, guys. Because it's going to have that residue on here forever now. Okay, anyway, it's by the brand Blossom, and it's their roll-on lip gloss in strawberry. I have wanted one of the Blossom lip glosses for freaking forever. They have real flowers in them. Look how effing cute that is. I am in love. I'm just like, dude, the aesthetic alone on these is so perfect. Can I smell it? Oh, that smells good. I am so looking forward to that. I may be the most excited about this in this whole box, not gonna lie. I think that's a sample size. I'm not sure. I don't care. I'm just happy to have one. So this is from e.l.f. And actually, it's something I've considered buying at multiple points. It's one of their bite-sized palettes, which only have little, like, 4 shades in them. But this is their rose water one. I swear, like, this exact one has been in my cart before, and then I've, like, changed my mind at the last minute, but now I have it. This palette delivers mini Eye Magic in a perfect size. The Luxe formula is creamy, blendable, and ultra pigmented. So that's exciting. But I'm just like, dude, it's like the exact one I have had in my freaking cart over and over and over. And then, for whatever reason, never went through with buying. And now I've got it. The universe just wanted me to have this. Oh, God, again with the sticky. Really? Really? Oh, my God. Oh, I'm sorry to keep making you guys wait. Can I use, like, the edge of my, box cutter to get under that, maybe? Maybe? Is it working, or am I just ruining my blade? I might be ruining my blade. Yeah, there's no way I'm putting my finger on that blade to get it off of there, so this was possibly a terrible, terrible idea. Ooh, let's not cut myself. 2 of my fingers already have cuts on them. The last thing I need is a 3rd, right before I have to go to work tomorrow, early in the morning. So why am I up late recording when I have to be up in like a few hours to start getting ready for work? I don't freaking know. Especially when it's probably the longest shift I've had yet. Well, this is on an outer plastic packaging that isn't even staying on the damn thing, so I don't know why I'm trying so hard to get it off of there, to be totally honest with you. Where does the plastic start? Here it is. Okay. Package it. So I potentially ruined my box cutter for that. That's awesome. I suck. Oh, goodness. Ooh, hello. Oh, holy shit. Ooh, that is soft. Okay. I'm going to keep it in here just to protect it until I'm ready. But this is by a brand called Sonia Kashuk. It's like a rose gold brush. Does it say on the back of the box what kind of brush it is? A blush brush. Okay. So that is really cool. And it's obviously full size. It's got like a rubberized handle on it. It's got the rose gold barrel, the little soft baby pink bristles. It's so cute. So this one you get the brush, the 3 lip products, the eyeshadow, the Pixie peel and polish, the blender, and the lashes, all for 15 bucks. Like, frankly, that is amazing. I cannot complain with those kind of deals. That is freaking epic. Just saying. So, Anyway, guys, that's it for me for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon for more of these videos. Make sure you never miss one. Leave comments down below. Have you bought any of these sets? What have your thoughts been? Do you think it's a good deal for the money? Do you not? Do you wish they'd bring back the old school beauty boxes? Are you happy that they've made this change? Let me know that, as well as anything else down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.